To try our Texas wood destroying insect report, go to dddesign.com/texas-WDIR. Scroll to the bottom of the screen where you'll see the availability of downloading a trial. Press the download trial button and download the file. Depending on your browser, it should either automatically download or present you the option of actually downloading the file. Once the file is downloaded, you'll have the option to open in, and what you want to look for is FileMaker Go. If you don't see it in this sliding list here, hit More. Scroll down till you'll see FileMaker Go, ideally 19 or the latest version. If you've already downloaded a copy in the past, it will give the option to replace it, to update it to the most recent version. First time you open it, you'll see this screen indicating that you just go with the trial as is, update and get a license, or hit setup. Generally speaking, you might want to start with setup because it'll take you to the user and company information, which is going to be needed to populate into the report itself. When you're ready, you can hit the license button, input your name and email, and hit request code. This will automatically build an email to send to us to get you a code back. License fees are listed on the website, and there are volume license pricing available.